it's Israel from IsraelNavarro.com. Thank you once again for joining me live. And if you're watching this on replay, thank you for watching this on replay. Today's topic is very simple, to the point, but it's something that I understand a lot of people go through, and I just want to share this with you. And that is 3 tricks to reduce stage fright. Yes, it is completely normal when we're going up to do a presentation, to close a deal, to do business. We sometimes get stage fright. And it's normal. It has happened to me in the past. It has happened to many of the most successful people you know. They all go through this. What is signs of you going through stage fright? And that is simple. That is where, you have your heart beating out of your chest. That is when you feel your mouth is drying up. You're shaking. That's when you feel like your knees is shaking. Or, you start to sweat like profusely, or you start getting cold, vice versa. Those are signs of stage frights. And if you do get that, hey, awesome, great, you're doing something awesome. So just don't get scared out of not doing it. You have this feelings, that's a great thing. So right now what I'm going to do is share 3 tips. Yes, 3 tips for you guys to reduce that stage fright and go out there and knock it out. No matter if it's on Zoom, when we go back to interacting with people, doesn't matter. I'm going to help you guys with that. And the first tip I'm going to give you is clear your intention. Yes, clear your mind of all those negative thoughts. Let anything that's blocking you, let it go. Take in what you need to do. Remember, if you are getting stage fright and you want to clear your attention, remember what is your goal. If your goal is like, I'm going to sign up 3 people today, well, stay focused to signing those 3 people out. Your day is to close that sale, that deal, then focus on closing that deal. As long as you are focused on your goal, you're going to continue to clearing your intention. Now, the other thing you want to do is have hope. Yes. In other words, have hope that it's going to be a positive outcome. Hope that your message is going to be heard. Because when you do this, you're going to be able to get to that person. You're going to be able to get that message across. And whatever was making you scared is going to mean absolutely nothing. So that's a cool thing, and I always want you to take that into consideration. The other thing you got to do is don't psych yourself out. Yes, I feel like that's something very common. People get stage fright. They don't clear their mind to realize what their intentions are. And they end up getting psyched themselves out to not doing what they were going to do. Not giving that speech, not giving that presentation, not closing that deal. They just completely psych out. Their brain goes and they burn themselves out. So you do not want that to happen to you guys. And I don't want that to happen to you guys. I want you guys to reach your true potential and go out there. So if you like this first tip of clearing your mind, clearing your or making your intentions clear, please give me a thumbs up. Send me a little heart, something. Let me know you guys are agreeing. Now, here is the second tip. And this is the most important one. After you guys clear your intentions, understand what it is, I want you guys to breathe mindfully. Breathe peacefully. Believe it or not, breathing is a great exercise. Breathing is a great thing for your body. Oxygen is so important. It's such a great medicine. Sometimes we want to do the Viagras, we want to do all these stuff, but sometimes we forget something simple as breathing goes a long way. So what you're going to do is live in the moment, breathe in the moment, take in that moment and just live it, breathe. If you realize your body is always breathing at this time, it is taking in air, it's exhaling hairs out. So you do not want to over-psych yourself. You do not want to over-blow yourself. So take that time, breathe, live the moment, be at peace. Let the oxygen that comes into your body be a temple of relaxation in your body. Let that be. So if this is a tip you like to do, you know what? I'm going to go quiet for 10 seconds, and I just want you guys to breathe with me. hopefully this breathing exercise makes you guys feel better, feel more relaxed when you're doing this and when you're going out there to take a speech or knock it out of the park. Hope this helps you out. Now, the other thing you got to do, and this is something that I actually have to sometimes do, is relax muscle tension. Yes, this is when you clench your teeth, or you had to clench your fist, you put your muscles in tense, you lock yourself in. Here's the first thing you got to do, and this is going back to that breathing exercise. Start to breathe. Open your hands. Relax your jaw. Even if you have to leave your jaw open and you keep your mouth closed and you just go like this or something, do something so you can relax yourself. Relax. Then you take those deep breaths as the exercise we just did before. You start doing that and you start relaxing yourself. You just get yourself in a state of mind of relaxation. And when you're relaxing, you once again, that's the first tip, make your intention clear. Clear that mind of thought, focusing on your goals, your hopes, whatever, your dreams. You clear the thing out. Then you're breathing mindfully. You're bringing that peace in your mind. Then you start to relax all that muscle and tensions, and you will feel peace. Do that, guys. Just do these 3 simple tips. There's more tips, obviously, you can do. But with just these 3 basic tips to start off, it's going to help you guys be able to project yourself and come off even more natural, more organic to that message, that sales you guys want to do. And here's my close to action thing. If you are looking for an opportunity to make money on Instagram, 100% you can go onto my website. Yes, my website. That's the link in the bio. If you're watching this on replay, it's most likely in the comment section below. You're going to go into IsraelNavarro.com. You're going to sign up. I'm going to give you within 24 hours my free ebook on how to make profit on Instagram. Yes, you can use this beautiful app, the Instagram, and make at least 500 to 1,000 to whatever you think is the perfect amount of money you want to make a month. So I invite you guys to go out there. I hope you guys use this tip, and I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Take care. God bless you, and see you guys soon.